Yeah, dude, this is just really frustrating when your shit doesn't work right. What the fuck? God damn it. Alright guys, so I actually decided to do my very first voiceover. Now, I do understand this may be kind of weird because maybe it'll look like my mouth is moving like it should be in a kung fu video. However, I do feel that it's very important to explain what's going on because the events that are going to be leading up to the next video are explained in this video right now. So, if you aren't a fan of it, feel free to fast forward, but I'm going to give you guys the quick Cliff Notes version of what's going on. Alright guys, so if you look at this next clip right here, I'm actually in the process of driving to Texas Gulf Regional Airport. Now the reason that I'm flying there is because I got H&G Production registered for press release passes for the Detroit International Auto Show. Now this is actually a very big milestone for the channel because I've never ever gotten this opportunity before. So one of the perks of the company that I work for that I get is free airfare to Midland, Michigan, and I was more than willing to take advantage of that to make this opportunity achievable. Unfortunately, I was asked not to film in the airport, the airplane, or around the hangar because the company that I work for has a very tight filming and audio recording policy. So, as you can see, I'm now in Midland, Michigan, and if you look closely, the lapel mic is actually still clipped on my collar, which means, well, I'm not recording any audio. So I actually ended up renting a Kia Soul because that's all they said they had at the airport to rent to me at the time, which I found to be a lie because there were tons of cars at the parking lot which I could have rented, but it is what it is, and the Kia Soul got me from point A to point B effectively and very fuel efficiently. And 3 cameras in the vehicle. I know it's only a Kia Soul, but camera there, camera there, camera there, and Noah forgot to bring another suction cup mount, so I'm using the tripod to hold that up. So pretty much right now I'm going to drive to Detroit and see what I can do. I don't know, I'm excited. So crazy thing is, background behind me in the Kia Soul, I think for my 19th birthday, I'm now 23. I turned 23 the other day. When I turned, I want to say when it was, I think I was 19. Anyways, me and my buddies rented a Kia Soul and drove from Midland, Texas, all the way to Colorado. We went to Denver and went on a ski trip. And crazy thing now is I am renting a Kia Soul in Midland, Michigan. So, I don't know, coincidence? I hate to say it, guys, but I'm sorry if there's a viewer that lives out here, but dude, I would hate to fucking live out here. There's nothing. Absolutely nothing. Listen, it looks flat, don't get me wrong, there could be like a bunch of hills and shit somewhere, but it looks a lot like farmland. And pretty much in Midland, Texas, where I spent a lot of my life, it's flat and it's all oil fields. So kind of cool. I don't know what to call it. So I'm gonna be here approximately 5 days. Now I flew in, today is the, what is today? Today is the 11th. I flew in and of course I didn't know there's a time change, so I was a little bit confused right off the bat just because of the time difference. But I'm gonna be here, kind of stupid if you really think about it. Of course there's gonna be a time difference. But anyways, I'm gonna be here through the 11th. I got the press passes and the car show, or press release. Okay, so the press release is gonna be on Monday. So I'm gonna be pretty much bowed up on Monday, and I'm pretty sure the VIP event for Chevrolet is going to be on Sunday. I want to say it's going to be on Sunday. You know, Midland, Michigan kind of reminds me a lot of Midland, Texas, where I say that I grew up. I lived there for like 14 years, I want to say. But not climate-wise, but there's nothing here. There's absolutely nothing here. There's just plains. I mean, I guess it looks flat. Don't get me wrong, there could be like a bunch of hills and shit somewhere, but it looks a lot like farmland. And pretty much in Midland, Texas, where I spent a lot of my life, it's flat and it's all oil fields. So kind of cool. I don't know what to call it. Dude, I would hate to drive into that ditch. I don't know if that GoPro can catch it, but there's a fucking deep ass ditch on the side of this road. I'd hate to drive on it when it's icy. So it actually is supposed to snow. Today is Thursday. It's supposed to snow tomorrow and Saturday. So I'm hoping for this car that I'm gonna rent, it is all-wheel drive. That's all I'm giving away. I'm gonna get some good snow footage in it. Oh, Kia Soul launch, Kia Soul launch. This car is slower than a bag of dicks, man. Oh my god.
Turn left onto Lambden Road.
Alright, hold on, iPad. So, I just remembered something. There is a White Castle
Turn left
over here somewhere. And I don't know how I thought of it. I am a little hungry. And
right
I've never eaten
Road,
White Castle before,
right
so
Red Wing Drive.
I'm about to food vlog it up. Chicken and waffles.
That was just one original slider?
Yes, the number one, and then a chicken and waffles, and then a Sprite. This is where it's fucking at. Oh shit, yeah. The bacon bits on it are just, that's what, oh yes, the bacon bits do it. That's what it is. That moment that you pull into a Walmart parking lot just to be fat. Totally worth it. Totally fucking worth it. Alright guys, well, I hate to end this video a little early and skip ahead, but both of my GoPros died, and it was actually kind of a pain to carry around the DSLR and try to focus it on my face and film while driving around Detroit. But I'm here in an Airbnb house. It's it's alright. It was cheap, but actually I don't plan on being wherever I'm staying too long, because I do plan on being out and about filming for most of the time that I'm here, so that actually wasn't a huge issue. So it's probably, what time is it? It's almost 7:30 in Houston, so it's 8:30 here, and I'm still gonna try to keep to my word and upload a daily vlog for the next maybe 3-4 days. I gotta see how it goes, but that means I have to edit this video tonight and then prepare for tomorrow's video, which is gonna be really fucking good. So stay tuned, guys. I know it's different than most of the regular videos that I do, but it is gonna get better. Alright guys, I'm out for tonight, and I will see you in the morning, so you will probably watch that one the following day. I'm out.